The AR-15 is a type of semi-automatic rifle that operates using a gas impingement system. Here's a step-by-step explanation of how it works. Magazine insertion. The AR-15 uses a detachable magazine that holds the ammunition. The magazine is inserted into the magazine well. Chambering a round. When the charging handle is pulled back and released, it causes the bolt carrier group to move rearward, compressing the buffer spring. Trigger pull. When the trigger is pulled, the hammer is released from the trigger sear and strikes the firing pin. Ignition. The firing pin then strikes the primer of the chambered round, igniting the gunpowder in the cartridge. Bullet travel. The expanding gases from the burning gunpowder force the bullet down the barrel and out of the muzzle. Gas port. As the bullet travels down the barrel, it passes a small hole located near the end of the barrel. Gas tube. Some of the high-pressure gas is diverted through this port into a gas tube, which directs the gas back towards the receiver. Gas impingement. The gas enters the gas key on the bolt carrier, pushing it backward. This gas pressure initiates the action cycling. Bolt unlocking. The rearward movement of the bolt carrier causes the bolt to rotate and unlock from the barrel extension. Ejecting the spent case. As the bolt carrier group moves back, it pulls the spent cartridge case out of the chamber and ejects it through the ejection port. Recoil. Buffer. Spring. The bolt carrier group compresses the buffer spring housed in the buffer tube at the rear of the rifle. Bolt carrier return. Once fully compressed, the buffer spring pushes the bolt carrier group forward again. Feeding. As the bolt carrier group moves forward, it strips the next round from the magazine. Chambering. The round is pushed into the chamber, and the bolt rotates and locks into the barrel extension, readying the rifle for the next shot. Trigger reset. As the bolt carrier group moves forward, the hammer is cocked back and engages the trigger sear, resetting the trigger for the next pull. This entire cycle repeats with each pull of the trigger until the magazine is empty. The AR-15 is valued for its modularity, allowing users to easily swap out parts and accessories to customize the rifle for different purposes. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.